Welcome to the Kotek channel where we talk about everything life, business, finance and much more. We are in conjunction today with Kotek Capital, the capital of money. And Kotek Capital is in conjunction with Kotek Conglomerate, the largest conglomerate to be in this world. Anyway, let's get to today's market analysis. And what do we see? From Friday, we go into Monday. Oh, is that how big the daily has already been? Seriously? Wow, that's a lot of volatility already seen. Why is there so much volatility? That's insane. What just happened? I slept through this? I did sleep late, but this is crazy. So we had London taking a low dip here. What has just happened? We see consolidation in Asia. Asia end market starts to drip. So Sunday candle, weekly open. Let's mark out our weekly open. First things first. Templates, weekly open, 12:11. I think it's here, right? So open, high, low, open, high, there's no high, open, high, low, close. So this is the weekly open. Mark that out. Cool, we are sitting at the weekly open, so we had quite big rise and fall. So we did take this out. I thought it was going to be consolidation, but yeah, and we have, as I said, I think in my previous video, that we will create high resistance liquidity. I'm expecting longs from here, to be fair. So wow, at least we have seen this now. So this we can delete. This we can delete. Okay, cool. So I'm going to take it step by step from monthly going down into weekly, and then I'm going to create a short video at the end of it just summarizing the trade for today. That way everyone can watch that and it's easy to see. Yeah, cool. The monthly is still indicating a lot of bullishness because we came in here. We're expecting this to be bullish. We don't know how far it'll go, but I'm expecting a bit in and around here and then we reverse. But let's see. So monthly, no much indication. We're seeing bullish towards close. I'm not yet convinced. That was my analysis last night. I think I marked out a couple of areas on the monthly. But it's better seen on the smaller time frames, so not on the monthly. Let's look at the weekly. Weekly should be seen in conjunction with the 4 hour. So after this I will go into the 4 hour and then go into 12 and 8. So weekly, we have this to be taken out. So as per the weekly, it's too much kachro here, too much rubbish. So previous week high needs to be taken out. Volume imbalance, great, but previous weekly high, yeah, this needs to get taken out. Key resistance level at 954, 955. Sorry, back at it. And yeah, the weekly is showing us that we are bullish. We are going to take this level. I'm pretty sure that we have to take this out. 19,950, most probably going to 19. Yeah, we might most probably go up today or tomorrow, one of the days, but we have to take this out. This liquidity level needs to be taken out on the weekly. Could go back down to 19,450, but we have to take this out definitely. So bullish, previous week is bullish. Out bar, create an out bar on the week to follow. Option block. Definite target of 99.50 as a liquidity point to be taken. Control B. Yeah, that's in. What am I saying? So weekly, that we have analyzed the weekly. I don't think we can analyze much today for the weekly. I'm just expecting this to be taken or we stay in range. There should be decoupling right now, tomorrow or day after, but for now both the daily and weekly are in sync. Let's look at the daily quickly. Let's look at the 3-day actually first. Since we have looked at the weekly, let's look at the 4-hourly. Weekly 4-hourly. No, I'm going to look at the 3-day. 3-day is looking bullish. We do have some sort of fair value in between 19,620, but again that's for another time. Daily is bullish. Daily is bullish. So we look, as I said, we're going to take previous day high. We have not taken previous day low, so we might just create an order block and move. We seem to have a bit of a volume imbalance here, so I'm going to type this out. Friday closed bearish, but I'm a bit uncertain on the day as we have no PD array below. B, I'm going to say London took previous daily high, and I'm uncertain, to be fair, of what market wants to do, but I'm looking at 2,000 being touched, because this area on the daily is quite spicy and we have this big fair value gap here, and this is an order block here with a volume imbalance. So I hope these have been marked out on the day over here. So yeah, it's just too messy, this chart. So we have 1973, so we could go 76. Then we have this volume imbalance here. We'll mark it out as well. There's a lot of liquidity resting in and around this area, and oops, I am seeing whoopsie. There we go. I'm looking at a lot of, yeah, this area I would not be looking too long from further. We could go up, but I'm not too keen on it. If we get here, then yeah, we'd be looking for shorts again. I'm not good at taking long positions as much as I am at shorts. It's a bias, I guess. It's a cognitive bias, but for that I previously learned something small whereby we do Alt-I and we get a bit more confident with taking our shorts, our longs. We're expecting market to tap this area and then possibly go up, right? Unless we go down and break it. I always like looking at it from the alternate perspective. Yeah. Let's look at the 12. Hours looking bullish. This is looking very bullish. We have still a lot of time to, how many hours we have? 7 minutes. Okay, so this is going to call bullish. It's going to go back down possibly slightly and then run back up. So 12 hour is showing bullish tendency, likely to get a thrust up during the day. Eight hour. Is showing bearish, but we have 4 hours to close. This is likely to just keep posturing up. We have to take this liquidity. 8 hour is showing. We need to take this liquidity, and when is this? This is Thursday, so we have to take Thursday's high, and we need to take Thursday from 18 July's high. I'm quite confident on these being taken out. We don't just short without any bias and confirmation. You have to short with confirmation. So I'm looking at longs, to be fair. I'm not looking at shorts. I don't see shorts right now. It would be quite weird if we got shorts, but yeah, I'm looking at longs today. What's the 4 hours saying? 4 hours has 5 minutes to close. It is with the, I'm just going to quickly also take a check on the futures market, see where we are. 2077. So just looking at this, there's a volume imbalance that got balanced. However, we tapped into 59.54 in the morning, so yeah, we might go back into the volume imbalance in New York and then rise up. But I'm just looking at daily profiles, just trying to make up my mind on what could possibly happen. We have when we go into the smaller time frames, I'll make up my mind, but I'm not yet confident on what's going to happen. So then if I'm not confident, I don't trade. That's just a very good rule to have. We have an open, high, low, close being shown right now, quite indecisive. 4 hour is showing bullish, but looking at this, yeah, we have wicked back in. So I don't know if we'll just continue to smash down and take lows. Are we seeing any broadening formation? Manipulation, distribution? No, I'm not sure. Although I think we're going to go up still, but I'm not 100% sure at this point. 2 hour maybe gives any clarity. We'll mark out the US Open, the New York Open and all that stuff as well. Just 2 hour is bullish, so we are likely to go up from here. We are in an inside bar. We're going to take this out. 870 is my first target. If I was to take a trade right now in the next 2 hours, we're looking at a good 30 points, but I'm not looking for 30 points in London. I'm going to trade in New York only. From experience, I prefer trading New York's Open or New York PM session even is alright for today. Yeah, but we're looking at 972 to be hit at some point. Just going to go down to the 2 hour. I'm going to remove this marking out now. Any markings that are extra we just remove. Control Z to make my chart clean and fresh. We've tapped into this order block. We have taken out this liquidity. Anything we have taken, anything that's not necessary needs to get erased from my chart. We have the weekly open marked out, so we are right now just above the weekly open. We have to think of the large time frame. What is this week trying to pull out, right? So yeah, I'm just cleaning up my chart. 3-drive pattern, nothing crazy. It didn't really work. It should have just slammed otherwise. Yeah, 2-hour order block hit on Friday before reversal. Yeah, dropping down to the 2-hourly. We have closed with an inside bar. We're likely to take this, most probably go into this 903 area, 904, 905. This is a area I'll be watching out for as potential longs into New York session. So I'm just going to quickly go in here. Trade ideas and results. Sorry, this is this week. So looking at the 4-hour, we have closed the 4-hour with a long wick. Closed the 11 a.m. candle with a long wick, expecting market to reverse bullish. Because I'm not too sure right now, I'm not going to be taking any hasty trades, but yeah, we just wait. If we don't trade today, that's fine. 2 hours inside bar. Yeah, so most of my analysis is showing bullish. Are we seeing any blocks, anything else form? Like, are we seeing a breaker block form? High, let's see, possibly high, low, low, high, low, high, high, low, low, no. What's a bullish breaker? Let's quickly, I'm going to keep my notes open so that it's just in the strategies main. Control F, breaker. High, low, high, 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 low, 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 high, lower, low, so low, high, low, low. I don't see a breaker forming, at least right now, on the 2 hour. Yeah, this is where we start getting a bit spicy with the 1 hour and 15 minute. We can start looking for potential setups and executions. I'm going to now, as we get into the 1 hour, I'm going to start looking at this. Look at this 3-pin pattern. I'm doubting we'll go down. I'm going to quickly see where this leads. So we have that much, 1970. Let's look at the VWAP. Now the VWAP opens here. I'm going to mark out this. My laptop is blocking my view. Let me see, that's better. So midnight open. I'm going to just mark out the midnight open and stuff like that, so it's easier to work with. Midnight open is, we started the market at This New York midnight open, by the way, just because that's when the algorithm resets every time. So open, high, low, close, midnight open is in line at around there. Yeah, that's fine. Weekly open should not be midnight open. The weekly open, midnight open are two different things. So weekly open is at 23. So we open low, open high, low, close. So midnight, this is the weekly open. Okay, so midnight open and weekly open are in sync today. We're above midnight open. I'll be looking for shorts at this point. Again, we can't confirm anything yet. There's no trade on this marker. We have taken previous daily high again, tapped back in. Going to put the New York and 113 here so that we can observe when market opens. I might take a PM session trade today if we don't get a AM session trade. If I'm not too confident with the AM session, we can take a PM session. But I'm going back onto the daily. Let's ensure that we have marked out correctly the low, daily low and high. So daily previous daily low has been marked, previous daily high has been marked as well. That's cool. 1 hour. Okay, I'm going to go on the clean chart, go into the 1 hourly. We're possibly going to come in here, 824. I just see that as a possibility. Right now, 10 points in, it's going to come and tap this area. You see that? 822, 824. This is a bit of an imbalance. I'm expecting that to be hit within the next 1 hour. Because we've closed this, we're about to close this hour bearish. Back in range, we went weaken here. We could continuously fall. So as I said, I don't see a trade yet. So I'm just being cautious. We have this order block here that I'm going to be off within 1 hour order block. So let's mark that out. 15 minutes and 1 hour. Do we have a break or anything that has formed here that we might retrace back into a bullish breaker? Low, high, lower, low, higher, high, low, high. So this is a bullish breaker, by the way. So I'm going to mark that out. This area might be key for reversals because it is a bullish breaker block here. I'm just looking at the breaker block pattern. So again, low, high, lower, low, high, high, have tapped into the bullish breaker. We are likely to go bullish because this here is a break. I'm going to check it on the higher time frame and see what it's showing. Maybe the 2 hour. This is a bullish breaker block, guys. Look at that. That's a breaker block here. And breaker blocks are quite the thing when it comes to trading. 15 minutes. I'm going to check that. It's quite the right algorithmic pattern that we should watch. So again, low, high, lower, low, high, high. So this is a breaker block. I would say this entire thing is a breaker block. I'll be wary of market dropping down. I would say on the 15 minute there seems to be a breaker block on the 15 minute. I don't know if I should count this or is it just this. We take the breaker block from the body of the candle. I think we do take it from the body. So it's the entire thing. So we have already tapped into the breaker block, to be fair. I would be looking for longs. Seems like we've already tapped into it, and it seems Friday already tapped into it. Luckily we get longs in the New York session today, so let's just keep our overall expectation. If we get a trade idea, the overall expectation is 15-minute breaker block long. Larger I have to keep this hot water bag always because of my pain. So annoying. Can you just stop? What is the 1 hour saying? So daily saying? Again, I don't see more confluence than this right now. It's just a bit about being patient. At this point, as I said, market is going to fling down, and it is flinging down, as I mentioned, like I think some time ago. 1 hour. Yep, exactly to target. That was how many points? That's a good 10 points. And now I'll be looking for stopping here. Good 10 points, 7 lots, 70 bucks. Easy. But you just don't take every trade, you have to wait. Take your trades with effectiveness. Ensure you're being purposeful with your trades. Just don't take random stupid trades. Small trades, no. We want big trades only. It's great at some high resistance liquidity for a value gap, but I see that there's too much potential here. We're at the lower band of the VWAP from which we reversed. That would have been a good long, to be fair. And because we're still in London session, we could have taken that as a long when we saw it really get posted here. I don't know, to be fair. I don't know right now. But I see that there's a fair value gap and an order block here. So I'm going to mark that out. Liquidity area, liquidity as well. We can keep it. Say market could come here. We have this on the 15 minutes, so 1 hour. Are you seeing any trade here as such? This is where we take our longs from, honestly. I think we should take our longs. This is a long day, I feel. Well, I'm not sure right now, but I feel it's more of a long day. Low, high, low, low, high, high. But we've taken out the breaker block. We've gone into this order block sort of area. Rejection block. Let's see if this is correct. Two hours showing bullish, right? You know, we could just retrace down as well, so I'm not too keen right now on taking a trade, although this is showing a nice reversal view pattern. We could just consolidate around here and then on Thursday, Friday go up. So it's just about waiting in all essence. 30 minute. Okay, 30 minutes is showing 1 hour. Nothing much, 30 minutes. Back into the order block and up. Observed. No volume. We have the AMD, so AMD, oh wow, okay, this is a manipulation stage. Let's just quickly, we did not see this till now, I don't know how. We might go down actually, target using standard deviation. There's a high possibility we might just get shorts in this section. So 222.5 and we've hit the 4 targets. So looking at this, we're going to take a bit of a screenshot here and also note the AMD with standard deviation targets. The model hit the 4.5 take a screenshot of this. So this is a compliance showing the model. This is showing compliance with our model. AM formation. Bring it into the key level, so we are likely to bolster up. We have this order block, so I'm expecting market to rise up into this area. 51, most probably I'm expecting market to run up into New York session, this area. I would say long position from here. Yeah, this will be our target. Stops it around here. Yeah, this high resistance liquidity stops there. This is a 1:2. What's this trade? 1:1.3. Yeah, 1:1.3 trade. Look at that. It's a good trade. 1:1.5 nearly. Alright. There is this rejection block that we could magnetize into, so we can see something like this and there. But let's look at how it is. So we trying to create a daily profile out of this. So London has duped. We have opened here. Market open is here, right? We went up. Asia, London, and now we're likely to take out Asia highs in New York and London high as well. So London high needs to be taken. That's well marked. What about the 15-minute? Control C. 30-minute. So London high, we're on the 15-minute right now, right? 15-minute London high. And around here we'll be happy to start taking profit. We have London high at 19,871. Don't know if we'll tap Asia high. As I said, we're in a seek and destroy pattern right now, right? So what have we seen till now? We're seeing stops, stops, tops. We have to take this out first, I feel, and then roll back in. If this is a seek and destroy pattern. Seek and destroy, control F. Broadening formation, right? So we keep on taking out. So again, we took that out. We have not taken these lows out. We're most likely going to take these lows out here. If it is that kind of a formation. We will take this. We've taken all these highs, dipped back, took out all these lows. Now we're in mid-range. We'll keep on. Yeah, this is a seek and destroy most probably. We could just possibly bash down today. There's a high possibility. I'm not going to trade it till I'm so certain. Yeah, I'm going to wait out my trade for today. Once we have confirmation, once I know, otherwise we're really going to get smacked down. That's a 5 minute. 5 minute, 15 minute, nothing crazy. 15 minute, 5 minute trade, so 15 minute, nothing crazy. 15 minute, 5 minute trade, so 15 minute, nothing crazy. 15 minute, 5 minute trade, so 15 minute, nothing crazy. 15 minute, 5 minute trade, so 15 minute, nothing crazy. 15 minute, 5 minute trade, so 15 minute, nothing crazy. 15 minute, 5 minute trade, so 15 minute, nothing crazy. 15 minute, 5 minute trade, so 15 minute, nothing crazy. 15 minute, 5 minute trade, so 15 minute, nothing crazy. 15 minute, 5 minute trade, so 15 minute, nothing crazy. 15 minute, 5 minute trade, so 15 minute, nothing crazy. 15 minute, 5 minute trade, so 15 minute, nothing crazy. 15 minute, 5 minute trade, so 15 minute, nothing crazy. 15 minute, 5 minute trade, so 15 minute, nothing Again, looking at this, we'll break down. I don't think we'll take this, although I think we could take this as well. It's all up in the air at this point. We are seeing a rejection, low, high, low, so that this area is quite a high rejection. We most probably would go down from here in my opinion. But again, I don't know. At this point, I don't know. I'm just going to wait it out. I'll put in a trade idea, but let's see. 5 minutes. We could take this out and tap into this area. Let's look at the bigger picture, bit 4 hour maybe. Let me see here. Down, we have this area to still get into definitely. This is a market maker buy model. We have a W pattern being formed, so we are likely to see longs here. But when, I don't know, so I have to just watch it at this point, watch the market and see what it's saying. We're still in this range of VWAP. It's hard to tell. I wouldn't trade at this time. I'm waiting for volatility to kick in. But yeah, that's my pre-market analysis for the Nasdaq. Let's look at gold quickly. What's the S&P saying before we turn off the Nasdaq? S&P is following quite closely to the Nasdaq right now, at least. It's following quite closely to the Nasdaq. We have relatively equal lows here. Yeah, it's following quite closely. There's nothing much apart from this. I'm going to now check gold out, see what gold is up to. But yeah, if I'm in pain, I'm just going to stop. No need to trade gold for now. But we can just look at what has happened quickly. I'm not going to go too deep on my analysis. We've had a bullish week. We've gone into 19th, 2600, 4 hourly, 12 hour, bullish. Gold, we have this small fair value gap created here. That will be magnetized to some point in this week, I have a feeling. 8 hour. I'll just mark this out on the 12 hour. High time frame, right? There's no context to it apart from this, but it's at all-time highs. Yeah, again the AKMA has been respected. Just moved on from there. Open 2 hourly. We're looking to take this out, London high here. Asia had a great pull up, went down. What is the 1 hour saying? Yeah, so we might go for London highs here. Quick liquidity grab here. Fair value gap in here. What are we seeing? Are we seeing anything? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. The market has distributed longs down here, taken these stocks, gone into an order block, and now we've started redistributing up. Where we've seen this, we're going to take that out once we take this out, where are we going? There's possibility of this as well. But yeah, I would say anywhere around here we look for more shorts. But I'm expecting market to come down to this region here at some point during the week. Most probably take this out, come into this rebalance price range, come here probably to New York Open from Friday's New York Open might be tested again, very likely. Say I'll create a PD array here and say create a trade plan here, short position from here, stops above 630, and yeah, but again look at this weave up to weave up, and now we most probably will go there. So I would say wait here 637 8, but we have to try and get our risk reward. This is what my thought is, but we'll refine this right now once we see market move. So yeah, that's my gold take for today. Yeah, there's this propulsion block here, look at that, there's a propulsion block here. So ideally actually I just even take this as much as there. Cool, that's my gold analysis for today. Hopefully that's useful. I'm going to cut this video now and post it up. Control N, and first put my gold analysis up as well. Yeah, thanks for tuning in if anyone tuned in, but I'm going to create a short video that explains my thought process, my trade ideas, and as I move through the day I will post out 2-minute videos. I think that will be more useful for anyone who does view my videos. I don't know if there is anyone, but don't matter as long as I know I'm providing the best value I can. 8 week 23rd September 27th September, create Google Docs. So I'm going to copy this entire thing. No, not this. Create the same thing as the Nasdaq for gold right now. Control C, Control V. Gold analysis. I'm going to remove all this. Bit of a type out, and then yeah, see, hopefully everything works today. I might actually just take a gold trade if I'm more confident with gold than the Nasdaq, but yeah, let's see. I'm more confident with gold. So what did we do? We went up in Asia. I'm going to mark out the midnight open and stuff like that quickly. So midnight open, New York open, there we go, weekly high. I just want me to mark out key liquidity points. Let's just do a quick analysis on gold, and yeah, let's close it thereafter in another 10 minutes. Okay, back at it. Gold, look at gold, my god, look at that bullish candle, 12-month, look at the madness in gold. Gold has just been going up since 2020. Look at that, 2020. In 2020, 2022. This has been running. You bought gold, it's almost triple, nearly tripling your investment since 2016. That's quite a good return if you invested for the long term. 2016 I was sleeping on the streets, mate. Like, honestly, it was poor days. Let's see right now what gold is offering. We have a rebound reprice on the 6 month. It's going on the monthly. Monthly is bullish as fuck. I'm going to delete all these annotations, don't need any of them. All old annotations, market has just jumped. Coolio. Nice. Okay, where is gold? Goldilocks. What's silver doing? Curiosity. Silver's at 30. Gold might dip today, actually, I feel. Monthly is bullish. Very bullish month here. I'm going to close the month bullish. Get a bit of retracement in the next month. Rise back up most probably. Hiya. Oi. Here we go. So rebound, reprice it around here. I'm expecting market to dip in here. Well, it's a weekly open. So the last week was bullish. I'm expecting us to just keep moving, I guess. I don't know what's going to happen. I've not been a seasoned gold trader for the last many years, so I don't know. I'm just going to take it as it comes. Really looks like it wants to go bullish. 12 hour, possibly we will retrace into this area that I've marked out here. That's a good 70 pips. What is it? 8 hours saying? We have, if this closes, then it's causing high resistance. We could just go down. I don't know. I'm not going to say I'm an expert at gold yet, but I want to improve every single day to actually make it in this market. This is looking like it's going to go bearish, as I've said. My trade isn't planned. I'm just going to see this quickly. My trade plan is on. Yes, it's tying with the mid as well. But looking at it from here, we have not broken the ATMA yet, so I don't know. I honestly don't know. We could come here 16, 17 and then run back up.